Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. Welcome to the world of outdoor events and activities, where shade, comfort, and protection are essential for a memorable experience. Whether you're planning a fun-filled family picnic, hosting an outdoor party, or participating in a trade show, a reliable pop-up canopy tent can be your ultimate companion. The best pop-up canopy tent is more than just a shelter. It's a versatile and portable solution that provides instant shade and weather protection, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without worry. 5 Clam Kwikset Escape 11.5x. The Clam Kwikset Escape is a highly recommended canopy tent, offering impressive protection and functionality for various outdoor activities. It received an overall score of 81 out of 100 and was ranked second among 11 similar products in the market. The tent's key features include its spacious and fully enclosed design, which can comfortably fit 5 to 7 people, a picnic table, and gear. The tent effectively blocks out sun, rain, wind, and bugs, making it perfect for camping trips and outdoor gatherings. Setup has a bit of a learning curve, but once mastered, users found it relatively easy to deploy, taking only 30 to 40 seconds for a two-person setup. 4 Kwikset Privacy 10*X10 Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The product is a Kwikset Privacy 10x10 Easy Pop-Up Canopy Tent with sidewalls in green. It has received a rating of 3.5 stars out of 18 reviews and is priced at $169.99. The item is currently out of stock. The canopy features mesh windows for ventilation and protection from mosquitoes, and it comes with 4 removable and interchangeable sidewalls. The frame is made of durable powder-coated steel and can be easily set up with no loose parts or tools required. The fabric is waterproof and provides UPF 50+ UV sun protection. The canopy also includes a carrying bag for easy transport. 3 ABC Canopy Outdoor Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The ABC Canopy Outdoor Pop-Up Canopy Tent Camping Sun Shelter is a camping sun shelter designed for 6 to 9 people. It has a size of 66 by 6.6 by 69 inches with a solid steel pole for stability. The product has received positive reviews from customers, with an overall satisfaction rating of 8.6 out of 10. The tent is easy to install and provides right shoulder protection during camping trips. It has a BVR rating of 8.5 based on 585 reviews. The product is similar to other ABC Canopy canopies, such as the ABC Canopy Canopy Tent Pop-Up Canopy 10x10 and the ABC Canopy 13x13 Canopy Tent Instant Shelter Pop-Up Canopy. 2 CompKeeper Pop-Up Canopy Tent. The best canopy of 2023 is the CompKeeper Pop-Up Canopy Tent 10x10. It has a durable design and can support up to 400 pounds. The canopy comes with 4 sandbags and 3 adjustable height options. It is an outdoor instant canopy that provides waterproof shelter. The product has received a high BVR rating of 9.6 based on 63 reviews. The reasons to buy this canopy include its high-quality fabric and steel patches that offer extended durability, a roller bag for easy storage and maneuverability, and an upgraded button for easy height adjustment between 104 to 111 inches. 1 Yahi Tech 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy. The Yahi Tech 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy Tent is a commercial-grade canopy made of PU-coated 500D Oxford cloth and sturdy metal, offering durability and waterproof protection for various outdoor activities. It features a quick and easy assembly process with the help of another person and comes with all necessary fittings. The standout feature is its adjustable height, with 3 holes for height adjustment on each tubular column, allowing customization for different occasions. In conclusion, the best pop-up canopy tent of 2023 is the Yahi Tech 10x10 Pop-Up Canopy Tent. This commercial-grade canopy stands out for its exceptional build quality, durability, and waterproof features. Its 500D Oxford cloth and sturdy metal frame offer reliable protection against various weather conditions, ensuring that you and your guests stay dry and comfortable. The quick and easy assembly process, with the help of another person, makes setting up the canopy a breeze. The adjustable height feature allows for customization according to your specific needs, making it versatile for various outdoor activities and events.